Hello and welcome to class everyone. So today we are going to learn about gaining super user access in Linux. So in this video we will check about how we are gaining super user access or root access in RGM. Super user or root access allow you to perform administrative tasks in Linux, just like installing software, changing system setting and managing file which normal user or regular user cannot do. So let's check. There is a user which name is Ranjan. So we are just checking with the help of ID. What we are going to do, we are just going to log in as a Ranjan user. We are as a Ranjan user. If we want to check, then we apply pwd and we get that in which home directory we are. After it, we will check with the help of cat command or tail command. So if you are using cat command, etc pass wd, so you are able to see all the content. In the same way, if you are going to check cat etc shadow, it will say that permission denied. It will not allow you to see the content from etc shadow file. It is critical file. It is very sensitive file. It will not allow to normal user. So there is a word sudo super user do. You can use this in order to access some root level privilege. But if you are going to try with sudo cat etc shadow, it will ask you the password, give the password, hit enter. It will say that Ranjan is not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. It's mean if you are a normal user, you want to access root level of privilege and you want to run that level of command. So you have to use sudo, but it will be helpful when you are present in the sudoers file. Then it will allow you to do. So what we are going to do, we are just going to give the name in the sudoers file. We are running vi sudo, then I for insert, come to this place, then type name of user, Ranjan, then all in bracket, all, all. After it, just save it and come outside. Now execute bash and then log in again as a Ranjan user. If you are using cat etc shadow, it will not still show you the content of file. So what we have to do, we have to apply sudo, then you have to apply cat etc shadow. Now if you do this, it will ask you the password. After giving the right password, it will allow you to see the content of critical file. So this is the way how we are getting the super user access. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.